Have you f***ed him? No. Yoink. Let's see if you switch that. I swear Toyota have done things just really weirdly on this car. Okay, the bumper's only feeling loose. Yep. It's there. At this rate, these are where they'll take it off. Yeah, just take it off. Unfortunately, due to all the corrupt footage that we had, this is all we can actually show of the install. This is effectively the same install as was done on Richard Duster 3, and you can find the link to that video in the description below. Thank you everybody so much for watching this, and we'll see you in another episode very soon. Bye bye.